Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are covering something that generally saves people's hours every week, analyzing documents with Claude. You can hand Claude a long PDF, a report, a research paper, a contract, a manual, and instead of reading all 40 pages yourself, you just ask Claude questions and get answers in seconds. Summaries, key points, specific facts, data pulled out for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. So first, what can Claude actually do with a document? A lot. It can summarize a long PDF into a few bullet points. It can answer the specific questions very deep inside it. It can pull out data like every date, number, or name. It can explain complicated sections in plain language. It can compare two documents. It can even translate one. Anything you would normally do by reading the whole thing yourself, Claude does it in seconds. Let's start with the basics. Getting your document into Claude. In a new chat, look at the message box at the bottom. You will see a plus button. Click that and choose your file. Or honestly, the easiest way, just drag and drop your PDF. You will see it attached right there. And it's not just PDF. You can do with Word documents, text files, spreadsheets, and images too. But today we are focused on PDFs since that's what most people are working with. Okay, document is attached. Now you just talk to it like normal. Let's start simple. I will type, summarize this document in 5 key points. And enter. And look, Claude reads the entire thing and gives me the main points instantly. No scrolling, no skimming. That alone is worth the price of admission. Now let's get more specific. I can ask, what are the main conclusions? Or pull out all the important dates and numbers. Or explain some specific section in simple terms. This is the real power. You are having a conversation with your document, ask follow-up questions, dig into any part, and Claude keeps the whole document in mind the entire time. It's a really useful one. You can upload more than one document at a time and have Claude compare them. So, attach two PDFs. And ask, compare these two documents. And it's here. It's perfect for comparing two versions of a contract, two reports, or two proposals. You can attach quite a few files in a single chat, so you have got plenty of room to work with. Now a few limits so you don't get caught out. Each file can be up to around 30 megabytes. For PDFs, Claude does full analysis, including charts and images. For documents up to 100 pages. Past that, it focuses mainly on the text. And you can upload to around 20 files in one conversation. If your PDF is too big or too long, the fix is simple. Just split it into smaller parts and upload the section you actually care about. One more important thing, if your PDF is a scanned document, basically a picture of text with no real text layer, Claude can have a harder time reading it. If that happens, running it through a free OCR tool first usually sorts it out. But important tip, and this connects back to our projects video, when you upload a document into a chat, it only lives in that conversation. Start a new chat and it's gone. You would have to upload it again. So if it's a one-time thing, like summarize this PDF real quick, just drop it in the chat. But if it's a document you will keep coming back to, put it in a project's knowledge base instead. So it's available across all your chats in that project. Right tool for the right job. And one responsible reminder, be thoughtful about what you upload. If a document has a sensitive personal or financial information in it that you don't need analyzed, it's worth removing or blacking that out first. Just good practice. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, be specific in your questions. Summarize chapter 3 beats, tell me about this. Second, for big PDFs over 100 pages, split them and upload the part you need. Third, upload multiple files when you want to compare or combine information. Fourth, if a scanned PDF won't read properly, run it through OCR first. And fifth, reuse a document a lot. Put it in a project's knowledge base instead of re-uploading every time. And that's how you analyze documents with Claude. You now know how to upload a PDF, ask smart questions, compare multiple files, work around the limits, and keep things organized. Seriously, try this on the next long document that lands in your inbox. You will never go back to reading the whole thing manually. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped. Leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.